Lovely and welcome to today's construction class. My name remains Oluwatunde Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of Microtech. Okay, we'll be producing the object displayed on the screen in isometric projection. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is draw a thin horizontal line like this, then provide a vertical line to it like this, all while ensuring your T-square is well seated and well positioned. After that, from the point of intersection of the horizontal and vertical, you draw your isometric plane towards the right and towards the left, right here and towards the left. Okay, so after doing that, you pick your ruler and you fix your measurement. Okay, so towards this left hand side, the width of our object is 30 mm, which is this. Towards the right hand side, it is what 50 mm. 50 mm is this, and the height of our object is 20 mm. 20 mm, which is this, but I'm going to pick mark of 10 also, 20 and 10. Okay, then also from this area, we've measured 50. Yeah, I'm still going to measure from this 50 inwards. I'm measuring 30 also. I want to measure everything once and for all, then we just figure out our object. Now after picking the points, I'm going to pick this area vertically, faint line, this mark vertically, faint line, and this mark vertically with my faint line also. So after doing that, I'm going to our total height here 20. I draw faintly. This area of 10 I project faintly like this. Okay, then I draw this. I won't project, I will draw this, make it bold like this. Okay, but I'm going to project this, then I'm going to project this, and probably project this. So I'm going to go from this junction like this, faintly like that. Then I'm going to connect this boldly, not faintly, boldly. Okay, like this. And I can draw this also boldly like this. Okay, so vertically I'm going to connect this vertically like this, boldly. Okay, then isometrically I connect this boldly also. Okay, like that. So after doing that, I'm going to connect this junction, okay, boldly like this. Okay, going to connect, ensure your T-square is sitting properly, this boldly. Going to connect this boldly. I'm connecting this boldly. I'm connecting this boldly. I'm connecting this boldly. Okay, then I'm connecting this boldly. So then I'm going to draw this boldly and boldly, and that brings us to the construction of that object in isometric drawing. Once again, my name remains Oluwatunde Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of Microtech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.